right, here we are in Celebration, Florida. This is the Sunday Farmers Market that they have every Sunday from 10 to 12, I believe, or maybe it's 10 to 2. But let's go ahead and walk around and see what they have to offer. Over here is a cafe and coffee shop. A little bit pricey, but they make a great breakfast. And then if you want some great fruit, this stand is always here every farmer's market, and they got some of the freshest fruit that you can buy. I recommend the mangoes. They have some mangoes that are already cut up in a cup there that you can buy. Here's another look at some of the offerings of the town. Over there is a Starbucks store, and then there's Lake Reinhardt right here. Some chairs that you can sit there. There's always like an alligator or a turtle that'll pop its head up around this lake. Beautiful views, nice relaxing place to sit. Over there is a Celebration Hotel. All right, let's walk around this farmer's market, see what they have. There's a store there called Simple Savory. It has gourmet dips and mixes. Woodworker right there. There's a Turkish towels. Trey Jones. The Baking Nana is the name of that booth. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys what's on the right hand side here, and then I'll come back down and show you the left hand side. This is Poncho's Mangoes. Fresh guacamole stand, mango salsa. Vegan cookies. Ribbons and Rage. That's the name of this particular booth here. If you're a horror movie fan, they got some neat little offerings here. Like, take a look at this bag. It's got Freddy Krueger on there and Ghostface. A unique shop. And then look at all these. Swan Design is the name of this place. All kinds of pretty dresses for little girls. Fancy dresses.
Jalapeno. 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 No,
Friends and Products.
Olive.
Ginger Craft Studio. Over here, this is Art Originals, almost like Picasso style paintings, but modern day. Some pretty cool pieces of art here. A jewelry maker. This is over here is a wildlife art. You can buy all kinds of prints and pet portraits here. Over here we have the Coconut Hut. You can buy coconut water for $5, pineapple mango juice for $8, or sugarcane juice for $8. Like, there's a pineapple one. I actually had a coconut water and it was pretty good. All right, take a look at some of the architecture around here. Right there in the center, there's a fountain that usually is working. Today it's not. Over there's the post office on the right. The Celebration, Florida post office. Now this is the town that Disney built. Back in the 80s, Disney built this town. Or actually 1994 it was established. Take a look at this. In 1994, Now Disney, I don't think has their hands in it anymore. There's a place to get some New York cheesecake. Some slices. Over here we got Emma and Gourmet Nuts. Over here they have some type of swimwear for the ladies. Beach Bum Originals. Car coasters. Yeah, that's your, some Disney car coasters here. And sports football teams. Candle maker. This is metal prints. So this is all metal and it's photography. There, hi there. Good, that's a beautiful picture there, that celebration.
Thank you. They're all my husband's photography.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, look at the light hits. Yeah, it's just brilliant.
Wow, that is beautiful. Do you guys have a card or anything like that, or?
Don't, if you'd like to take a picture of the website when I...
Oh, here, I got it right here on the camera. DavisProPhotography.com.
Yes.
Okay. All right, thank you. That was pretty cool, those photographs. See Moss and Me. Over here is some more, like a boutique, women's clothing boutique. DK Candle Maker. And there's that cafe and coffee shop. They used to have some homemade orange juice in there that was absolutely amazing. Freshly squeezed oranges right there in the cafe, but the machine always broke, so they don't offer it anymore. Okay, so we're gonna go over here now to the left. One thing about this farmer's market is it tends to be busy, so parking can be a little bit of a challenge at times. Some more jewelry makers here. Resin art. Take a look at that. Homemade peanut butter. And then Van Holten art. He's got some awesome prints about the theme parks. There's some local honey. They're there every Sunday, they said. This is one of my favorite artists here in the local area. His name's Hubert. He does a lot of watercolors. $100 for a frame photo. I believe it's like $79 to have it unframed. Really recommend that guy. Oh, look at that Marilyn Monroe painting there. Jewelry maker, some more photography and paintings and prints that you can buy. Some more boutiques. Right here is barbecue, Casey's Finest Barbecue. Living Arts, aquariums.
The one you have and the green.
Some more jewelry over here. There's Cakes Cakery. Over here is paper art. This is Black Brew Brothers coffee. I did have some of that one time. It was okay. There's some more Local artists displaying some of their artwork. This one's all dried up. Fruits and veggies. Somebody over here getting their graduation photos taken. There's usually a fountain that is on here. Today it's off for some reason, but it's a really cool place to sit amongst all the palm trees. Over here on the left we got another shop, Coconut Run Caramel. The cookie jar shop over here on the left. Also over here, quick note, the Celebration movie theater here. Check out it. It's got like an Art Deco style. Unfortunately, that place has been closed for like 10 years. Not sure what they're doing there, but that would be a really cool place to have up and running for the locals here in Celebration to watch movies. All right, I'm going to show these tents here on the left, and then I'll go back on the right before we end the video. Now it is noon, so a lot of these people are going to be wrapping up here soon. It's a beautiful day though for a farmer's market. It's tipping close to the 90-degree mark today. Definitely one of those days you want to break out the sunscreen. Right there's some French bread, all kinds of breads that you can buy. This is the end here. There's some hot sauce, sheep and goat cheese. Over here is Joseph's beach signs. If that's your style of decor. Okay, and that shows just about all of the booths that are set up here in the farmers market Celebration. One of my favorite cities to visit, Celebration, Florida. There's people who have come here, all different languages and cultures, to visit the city. All right, let me take a look at the water one last time. Lake Reinhardt is the name of this man-made lake. Beautiful Celebration, Florida. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Just helped you on getting a little bit of an idea of what they offer here at this Celebration Farmers Market. Click a thumbs up on this video and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make travel videos just about every day, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.